welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm sharing a recipe of mashed turnip, or you call Shaljam ki Bhujia or Shaljam ki Sabzi. So I have took around 3 to 4 Shaljam turnips. So I peel off the turnip, cut it in cubes, and I add 2 glasses of water and let them boil. And now I have mashed them, and once it's mashed I will just keep it aside. And on the other hand, I have took this hot oil and I have put cumin seed, black pepper and cloves in it, and now I have add onions inside. Once the onion will change its color, mean if it get a little light brown, then I will add spices, which are salt per taste, half spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of red crushed pepper, 1 spoon of turmeric, and I will cook for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes I will add tomato, green Thai chili and cilantro. I will cook tomatoes until it gets softened. When tomatoes release water and oil is separated, or when you see the tomatoes are well cooked, then add the mashed turnip, the mashed shaljam. Mix it well, the shaljam, in spices, and let it cook for around 15 minutes on medium flame. And one thing I have to tell, that I did not throw the water of the shaljam when it boils. I kept that water and I mashed in the water, and I have added that water in the mixture too. So I did not throw the water away. And over here, as you see, I am mashing those turnip, the shaljam, in the spices. So after 15 minutes of cooking, stir well and check for the salt and pepper. If you think you need to add a salt or red chili powder or anything, this is the time to add. If you think it's perfect, then just cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. I hope you all like this recipe. It's really easy and a quick recipe, and I hope you will try this. It's really tastes good. And if you have any question about this recipe, do let me know in comments below. And thank you so very much for watching.